Hello students, very good morning to everyone. Welcome to class 5. How are you students? Hope you all are fine and safe at home. Let's start the today's session. Chapter 3, Patterns. Students, in your lower classes itself, you have studied this pattern chapter. I know you are all very much interested to do the problems in this exercise because you like to do the problem in the pattern. It's a very easy chapter. Let's see the definition. What do you mean by pattern? Along with me, read it. A pattern is an arrangement of lines or shapes, especially a design in which the same shape is repeated at regular intervals over a surface. Student, repeat it once again. A pattern is an arrangement of lines or shapes, especially a design in which the same shape is repeated at regular intervals over a surface. Students, a pattern is nothing but a certain things like shapes or designs or numbers to be repeated for a certain period of time. Then those things are called as patterns. Shall we see the another definition? Yes. A pattern is a series or sequence that repeats. It's a very short form. A pattern is a series or sequence. What do you mean by sequence, children? A sequence, it is nothing but the order. For example, the number starts with 1. Then what is the next number? 2. Then 3. Then 4. This is called sequence of numbers. It is a continuation. That sequence of number, it repeats for a certain period of time. Then we call it as patterns. Now we are going to see some example of patterns. See this, children. See the pattern. How it is coming first yellow, then red, then blue. See, it is coming repeatedly. Yes. Then see the next example. How that square is rotated. See, I mean the circle along with the square design, how it is repeated, and this is also called as one of the type of pattern. See the shape, how it is rotated. Then see this triangle with different colors, with red color, blue color, sandal color, brown, yellow. There are so many colors, but all the colors are filled with in a triangle shape with a regular intervals. See, this is also called as pattern. Okay. Then here with some examples. Not only the design what you have seen in that last slides, and these also included with the examples of patterns. Okay. Next we are going to see patterns and its shape. See, a patterns may be sequenced in many ways like shape and color and rotation, number and rotation, number by addition with arithmetic sequence. See children, see the first thing, shape. See the first one is triangle, second one is square, third one is, what shape is it? Pentagon. Very good. Then again triangle, square, pentagon. Then triangle, square, pentagon. See here 3 shapes only repeated. So this is called as pattern. And then second example is a shape and color with the same shape, but they've used different colors. For the triangle they've used green, for square it is blue, then pentagon it is purple. Okay. See, again it is repeatedly coming. Then color and rotation. What do you mean by rotation? We know that clockwise and anti-clockwise rotation. Here they have used often Already you have studied in your chapter 1, right? See, first one is orange color, then blue color, then purple, then green. Like this it is rotating. Then fourth one is number and rotation. First one is orange, it has 1 point, then purple it is 2 dots, then green color it is 3 dots, then it is rotating. See that see the fourth one, it is repeatedly changing. Then number by addition. See, the number starts with 2. Then what is the next number? 4. Here, when the number 2 is added with another 2, you will get 4. Then if you add 4 plus 2, you will get 6. Then 6 plus 2, you will get 8. Then 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Then what is the next number? 14 plus 2, 16. Then 16 plus 2, 18. It is the arithmetic sequence with the addition of number by 2. You can do it for 3 also. You can do it for 5 also. Actually, what you understand from this thing means these numbers are sequentially coming with some based on the pattern, right? You can add plus 2 or you can multiply with 2 or you can subtract with 2. Like this it goes on. A certain things has to be repeated in many ways, and these things are called as patterns. With this example you have understand clearly with the patterns, right? Yes. Then is another example. What shape comes next? First one is, it's a rectangle, then circle is in the blue color, then rectangle, circle. Then what is the next shape has to come? Rectangle. Very good. See the next one. Circle. What is this? You can call it as square. Okay, the square is turned in this shape. Okay, then 2 square, then 1 circle, then 2 square, 1 circle, then 2 square has to come. See the third one. Rectangle, triangle, circle, rectangle, triangle, circle has to come. Here a square, 2 circles, square, 2 circle, square has to come. Then see 2 triangle, 1 circle, 2 triangle, then what has to come? 1 circle. Shall we see the answer now? Yes. Is it correct? Yes. Now we are going to see the exercise 3.1. The first 2 problems, already the answers are there. Then see the third one star shape. You just find out the answers. Okay. These are the answers for it. Hope you understand clearly with this. Okay. Then we are going to study about to identify the patterns, square numbers and triangular numbers. So far we have seen the patterns with shapes and colors and rotation with arithmetic sequence of numbers, and now we are going to see with square number and triangular number. What do you mean by square number? First we'll read out this line. For finding the square of a number, we multiply the number by itself only. What do you understand from this? See, a square number is always positive. The numbers like 4, 9, 25 and others can be expressed as a product of a number by itself. Children, what do you understand from this 3 line? What do you mean by square number? A square number is always a positive. Positive means what? It has a plus sign. It don't have a negative sign. Then what does it mean it? We multiply the number by itself only. What do you mean by itself? Suppose if you take the example 1. A number is multiplied with 1 only. That is the meaning of itself, with the same number. See this given example. 1 is multiplied with 1. Then it has become 1 square. The 2 has to written on the top of the 1. It is called square. So what is 1 square? Is 1 only. Then take another example, 2. 2 is multiplied with 2. Then what is 2 into 2's are? 4. Then 3. 3 is multiplied with 3. Then what is 3 square? 9. Then 4 into 4. It is 4 square. That is 16. So a number is multiplied with the same number. That is itself. Then we'll get the square number. So what is 1 square, children? 1. 2 square? 4. 3 square? 9. 4 square? 16. Now what is 5 square will come? 5 into 5, that is 5 square, you will get 25. Then what is 6 square? 6 into 6. When I am saying 6 square means you have to multiply the 6 with 2 times. 6 into 6. What is 6 into 6 are? 36. Then if I say 7 square, then 7 into 7, 49. Like this you can find out the square number. Is it clear, children? The square number? Again I am just repeating this thing. A square number is always positive. A number is multiplied by itself. We call it a square number. That is 1 square is 1, 2 square is 2, then 3 square is 9, then 5 square is 25. Like this it is goes on. Is it clear? Then when you multiply a number by itself, then the result is called as square number. Clear? Now with this clear explanation of the square number, see they have given the boxes. Like 1 square means they have given 1 box. 2 square means you will get 4. So they have drawn 4 box. 3 square means you will get 9. 4 square means 16 box. 5 square means 25 box. 6 square means 36 box. Then 7 square means how many boxes you want to draw? 49 box. Is it clear? See, the shape number is 1. Number of small squares. It is 1 into 1, 1. 2 into 2s are 4. 3 into 3s are 9. 4 into 4s are 16. 5 into 5s are 25. Like this, you can expand till 10. Children, you can draw this box up to 10. Okay, you have to draw and send it to your respective subject teachers. It is clear? Yeah, you can try it. Then this is another thing. See, in this figure, you are having 1 dot. So, which is the meaning of 1 square, it is 1. Next, you are having 2 angles. So, 2 square is 4 dot. See, 3 square is 9. See, the first one bigger, then with the smaller, then another thing is a smaller. So, you are having 3 angles, so it is called as 3 square, that is 9. Like this, 4 square 16, 5 square is 25. Is it clear? Yes. Next, 2 square numbers are added together to make another square number. What do you understand from this? 2 square number. Example, 3 square is 9. 4 square is 16. When you add this 9 plus 16, you will get 25. 25 is a square number of 5. So what they are trying to say is, when 2 square number if you are added, you will get the answer of another square number. And you can take another example also. 1 square is 1. Okay? No, that 1 will not come. You can try it with another example. Clear? Yes. Children, today's session is over. The remaining triangular numbers we will see in next session. Hope you all enjoy this session. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.